respecting it, you don't respect the machine will not respect you. At mas malakas siya sa'yo. You respect your machine. Do whatever is intended to be done to you. And then you will work together harmoniously. Kaya ganyan na rin, walang buhay ng machine, but then you have to respect them there. Okay? Kahit walang packet. The machine has no brain. Use yours. Gamitin mo yung sa'yo. But respect it. And be it. So, usually, yung mga sinabi kong namamatay or nag-disgrasya, it's because of accident. Accident, an unexpected event that results in injury, death, or property damage. Causes, equipment failure. Ano ba example ng equipment failure? Nagpangkab ng makina, naputol ng belt, napas ka ng belt, yan, equipment failure yan. Sumakay ka ng jeep, nawalan ng brake, tumambling, equipment failure yan. Okay? Lack of training. Who can give an example ng lack of training? Lack of training is, hindi mo alam paano gawin ito, ginamit mo na, kaya nagbibigas siya. Okay? Poor supervision. Lalo na yung mga safety officers. Hindi niya nasusupervise yung mga baguhan. Kung saan-saan lang pupunta sa mga restricted area, nasa Agustin, transfer na akong ganyan. So, that's something. Poor supervision. Lalo na sa management side, sa mga factories o mga ganyan. Poor workplace conditions. May mga machine shop na napasok ka, hindi mo malaman kung saan ka dadaan. Yan, may nakatamak na angkin, may pisgan na, may kalat yan, may oil dito. So, usually ang poor na workplace conditions, nakakabisgrasya talaga yun. Lalo na pag nagmakadami kayo. Okay? And then of course, failure to follow safety guidelines. Sinabi na huwag mong tanggalin na machine guard. Tinanggal mo, related ka. Ganun lang. You don't follow instruction. So, you don't follow safety guidelines. Okay, so implication. Sige sir.
Sir Alexander, Rice Extension Services Program, yun yung scholarship din. Yung training kasi agro-entrepreneurship in SIPO, yung drop out yung agro-entrepreneurship.
Oo, hindi ka na nagtuloy doon din na.
Bukas lang.
Oo, maganda lang ito.
Ito yung tuloy sa.
Ano, trabaho dito.
Sa sige na i-justify ngayon, mas mahal. Rice RESP Day, scholarship PDA ba rin? Ano scholarship to test na? Test na din niya. Rice Extension Services Program.
Makita ko dito yung pinaglalag yung lang ko.
Ang kasi wala yung June din lang, year lang din ah. 2020 ko. So, nabigay sa ayos mga kapsa. Ang kayo nabigay sa ayos si Jack? Ay, exempted gayang tikwa. Exempted gayang nabigay sa ayos si Farm School. Farm School yan niya. Sus. Di kasakata. I told you niya. Kantak tirisong ka justify mo na kayo na mag-drop by may isang training center. Rice Extension Services, ano ito yung scholarship kung tinapin yung services, kung ano yung titipin. Usually, tiyan mo take scholarship under the DADA, Department of Agriculture. Tiyan mo scholarship from TESDA is the RCEP. Nagkata kayo mo ti orientation, di ba? ITIP? Ayan lagi si scholarship ni Jen ng pada. Dapat ti RESP, Jen? Wala? TWSP, TTSP, STEP, UACT, RCEP. RCEP yun, di ba? Yung RCEP kasi is under ng Farm Agriculture Scholarship yun eh. Yun yung sa'yo is